Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how to read and display an image by using OpenCV in Python. First we have to import that module, import CV2, then I am going to read that image. So for that I am used one command called cvt2.imread. It will read the image from the location. The photo should be stored where you are storing your program, otherwise it will show the error. Example, I am storing the picture in this folder and also program in same folder. Okay, you have to do like this, otherwise your program will throw some error. To avoid that, you have to store in current location. Okay, then I am going to display that. For that I am using cv2.imshow. So this command is used to display an image. Okay, this is the program. Okay, now I am going to run this program. So the output look like this. Okay, thanks for watching.